It's good to have a footrest for your kayak. Today I'm going to show you how I make this for my folding kayak. I drilled 2 holes here, one here, one here. The length of this one is about 14 inches. So it is around 2 inches from the side. I will put that inside this noodle. The diameter of this one is a 3/4 inch PVC pipe. This is my Gen 25 kayak. On the floor, I cut 2 holes, and then I use a strap and feed the strap through those 2 holes. One end of the strap has the ledge, and I use it to adjust the placement of the footrest. As you can see here, the setting up of the footrest is very easy and simple, and also very quick. If you like my video, please give me a like and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for your support. Bye bye.